Welcome to Learnglish. If you learn this grammar today, you'll never confuse them again. Zero conditional, first conditional. What's the difference? Look at these examples. They look similar, but they have different meanings. If you hit water, it boils. If it rains tomorrow, I'll stay home. We use zero conditional when we want to talk about facts, scientific facts, and general truth. And both clauses are in simple present because we're talking about something that's always true. If you hit water, it boils. If you drop an apple, it falls. If you touch fire, it burns. We use first conditional when we want to talk about real future possibilities, warnings, offers and suggestions. The if clause is in simple present, but the main clause uses will because we're talking about the future. If it rains, I'll stay home. If you don't study, you'll fail the exam. If you're tired, I'll drive. Now let's try. In this example, we're talking about a fact, so we use zero conditional, and we use simple present. In this situation, we're making an offer, so we use first conditional and we use future tense. In this situation, we're giving a warning, so we use first conditional and we use the future tense.